In this video, I'll show you how to create a virtual classroom meeting, in the one case from the Navbar in your Panther Learn shell, and in the second case from content in your Panther Learn shell. Here I am in a Panther Learn shell where I've copied in our 16-week hybrid template. The template has not yet been filled in, but I just wanted to show you where you could look both on the Navbar and in content to create a new virtual classroom meeting. Every course has a virtual classroom link conveniently placed on your Navbar. One way to create a new virtual classroom meeting is by simply clicking on that link. The meeting space for virtual classroom will then appear. On the top you have active meetings. These are meetings that have been scheduled but haven't happened yet. And below you'll have recorded meetings. Those are meetings that you held, recorded, and then they're archived here. To create a new meeting, go down to this plus to schedule the meeting. Enter a title. You can either enter a date for some time in the future and a time, or you can click now and then click Save. There are additional settings for scheduling a meeting. Check out the Schedule a Meeting video to see what all of those different settings do. Now, back in my week 1 module, suppose attending the virtual classroom session is a required part of the class. It's going to be a learning resource. So I can type here under Learning Resources something like Virtual Classroom Meeting 1, or Week 1 Monday Virtual Classroom, or Week 1 Wednesday Virtual Classroom, whatever your naming convention is, and then click Update. So now my students know that a required learning resource will be attending the virtual classroom meeting. And then right here below, under Add Existing Activities, I can click and scroll down to Virtual Classroom. And here, I see the test meeting that I previously scheduled, but I can schedule a meeting here too. I'll call this Test 2. The meeting date will be the 4th at 12 p.m. And again, watch the schedule meeting video in order to see about all of these other details. And then you click Save. And now I see Test and Test 2. I can click Test 2. And now, right in week 1, where it says up here, they need to attend the virtual classroom meeting, when I scroll down, that virtual classroom meeting is right there. And so in this case, students are going to have 3 different ways to access the meeting. They can click on Virtual Classroom in the Navbar. They can click on Test 2 here in Content, or on the home page, they can click on Test 2 from the calendar. If you have any questions about the virtual classroom and creating meetings, check out the Help Center and the Faculty Services Professional Development pages on Panther Learn. Also, feel free to email facultyservices@ohiodominican.edu. Stay tuned for the next video, which is about scheduling a meeting and all of those different settings and different ways and methods for scheduling a meeting in Panther Learn. Thanks!